Well, just a few weeks into the school year, and the Kyle Police Department says it is still finding fentanyl in the hands of teenagers. Now, this comes as a man who was arrested in the area for distributing fentanyl to a minor last year was arrested again on similar charges this summer. KXAN's Sarah Al-Sheh spoke with a teenager about just how easy it is to get their hands on these pills. They've already made 2 arrests, preventing hundreds of pills from going out into the community.
Nearly a year ago,
Anthony Jean Perez Rios.
KXAN reported on a press conference in Hays County announcing an arrest in a fentanyl investigation.
He had nearly 400 counterfeit Percocet pills containing fentanyl.
Anthony Jean Perez Rios was charged with manufacture and delivery with intent to distribute a controlled substance, delivery of a controlled substance to a child, and possession of a controlled substance. But that wouldn't be his last run-in with law enforcement. According to court documents, Rios was arrested yet again this June during a traffic stop.
He had provided fentanyl to yet another minor. He was arrested and charged with that delivery of that fentanyl to a minor that was in that same vehicle.
Kyle Police Chief Jeff Barnett says in the drug trade, it's not uncommon to have repeat offenders.
If they are able to make a quick bond, their position in the organization and the distribution ring is still there waiting for them.
According to court documents, Rios is currently out of jail waiting for his day in court, something Barnett finds concerning, especially with students back in school.
The overdoses that we are attending thus far already this year are high school aged children that are taking fentanyl.
According to teenagers, it doesn't take much to get their hands on these pills.
It's that easy, it's not that hard.
This Hays County teenager who wishes to remain anonymous says you can get fentanyl in about an hour by just going on social media to find someone selling.
Especially when you know what you're looking for. It's just couple clicks, on social media.
The teen is speaking from personal experience as they are currently in recovery, sending this message to others, warning how addictive and dangerous these pills are.
You don't know what you're putting in your body, and it's deadly. You might not think it'll happen to you, but it will. It doesn't discriminate.
Sarah Al-Sheh, KXAN News.
And KXAN reached out to the Hays County District Attorney about Rios' case. He responded saying that any recent case will be in their intake division, with staff gathering all the evidence available before it's assigned to a prosecutor for consideration. The DA couldn't provide more comment on this specific case, but did say, quote, "We take fentanyl cases very seriously, and where the evidence supports prosecution, we will prosecute." There is an effort in Washington to legalize testing strips that detect fentanyl. Texas Senator John Cornyn helped introduce the bill and says it will slow the growing number of deaths from overdoses in the U.S. Cornyn says the bill has bipartisan support, even though the idea failed in the Texas legislature.
Well, I don't really understand why legalizing the fentanyl testing strips would be controversial. One way to find out whether it is or is not is a fentanyl testing strip. So I understand some people suggesting this maybe will encourage people to use it. I disagree with that. I think it will save lives.
And because fentanyl is so powerful, of course, only a very small amount can be lethal. Accidental deadly overdoses are still an issue in Travis County. County Judge Andy Brown is expected to give an update tomorrow. In a statement out today, his office said the new information will impact how first responders and medical professionals will respond to overdoses. For some perspective on the concern, accidental overdoses linked to fentanyl more than doubled between 2021 and 2022. County data shows there were 417 deaths last year. The year before, there were 245.